welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do some beef stew and rice and peas. Yes. Enough yappa yappa, let's get to it, shall we? Yep. Bubbling, 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 bubbling. Whoa. PHO. That's what we're going to make. Money. What's all that TikTok? All that. Hey, I need to chill. Come and show yourself. That's my mother. Mama. What? You know I'm still filming. You are disturbing my flow, my energy. Yeah. You're probably thinking like, that's not seasoning, you know, what kind of bland food is this? Well, it's all gonna work out in the end.